Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to cover EC Finance. This is in Testnet and this is one of those free airdrops. Because of that, I'm going to cover, like always guys, a little bit about the project, some news, tokenomics, and a couple of things about what EC Finance is and how we are going to interact in order to participate of a possible airdrop which is speculated to happen in March or early April. And like always guys, I'm going to show you the step by step. It's really straightforward, really directly to the point, and it's very easy to participate to this. So maybe this is one of those airdrops that you can use a couple of wallets, but I didn't tell you that. So before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, EC Finance is an Aptos and SUI very first leveraged yield farming protocol. So yeah, another DeFi protocol. A total of 3 parties play an essential role in EC Finance: lenders, yield farmers, and liquidators. Users can begin yield farming with just one type of asset, and ECFi gives you the option to supply any combination of assets without having to supply an equal amount of assets for a liquidity pool like traditional yield farming. And a couple of news guys about this project. First of all, is that the EC Finance successfully completed a private round led by top angel investors. This was at the end of January, and you can see here that we are thrilled to announce that EC Finance successfully raised $210,000 in the private investment round to fund the development of an innovative leverage farming aggregator on the Move ecosystem. So that was for that guys. But in fact, the investors in the round include 3 angel investors from Intrax Venture, and the funds were raised in the stablecoin USDT at a valuation of 10 million. 210, my understanding, is for this Move ecosystem, for this aggregator, but they actually get 10 million on this round from these investors. And there's a lot of rumors about this could having an airdrop. You can see SUI insiders here tell everyone that trying to interact and hope we will have some airdrops from this and give some instructions. But the project is really under the radar, 26 followers on Twitter. Please guys, prove me that I am wrong, but I didn't find any Discord channel for EC Finance. So I am not sure if they never created one or I really didn't find it. But if they don't have one, that is a little concern for me. I think all these projects need to have a community growing, but at the same time that make it this really under the radar. So we really don't know how big this community is, because also in Twitter you have, I don't know, 50% of this could be bots easily. So if they do an airdrop, and even if the token doesn't value too much, we can see in the tokenomics here of EC Finance that they have a 15% for partnership and growth, because the rest is already for liquidity mining, the team, investors. So I think from this 15%, I would say a 5 or even a 7%, it will be maybe the possibility for an airdrop. And the total supply guys is 100 million, so it's not exponential amount of tokens around there. And this is expected to have the token that will be officially launched in the second quarter of 2023. I also read some rumors of the end of March, beginning of April. Maybe we are only 1 month apart from that token, and this is in testnet, so maybe if we accomplish that, we are going to have an opportunity. But I found also something in all my research that is really interesting about the possibility to have this airdrop and maybe how many tokens we could get. So see this video until the end, because I'm going to reveal you that information which could be crucial for this airdrop. But now let's go to the step by step. And like always guys, the step 1 is follow them on Twitter at twitter.com/EC Protocol. So you are going to find there the latest partnerships that they are doing. And we don't have their common step 2, which is follow Discord. I didn't find it, so put your comments below if you find it. Maybe I just did a bad research on that, but I couldn't find it. The step 2 in this case, it will be do the crew 3 task. They have a crew 3, but they are not abusing of the followers. You can see also that they have a couple of things to do only. The first of all, to unlock everything, is follow them on Twitter. When you do that, you can do the daily connect, and after that you are going to see that you have everything open here to do. Most of them are likes, replies or retweets, a couple of other things for content creation. You don't have to do too much here, it's just a couple of basic things. So step 2, go here to the crew 3 and complete those steps. If you are in my Discord, you know that we help each other, so after some of you use my link, we are going to be able to use our invite links if it's necessary. So now let's go to step 3. Step 3, this is like I mentioned, Aptos and SUI, but SUI right now is not available for this. So you need to get APT on Aptos Testnet Faucet to pay fees on the testnet of EC Finance. So go to this link, you need to click on sign in. After you sign in, click on connect wallet. You can use any of these wallets. I am more familiar with Petra and Pontem, so in this case I'm going to use Petra. And you can see I have an error here. I need to go to Petra and connect with the testnet. So click here guys, go to settings, and here in network change this to the testnet. And then you can connect and try again here. Approve the connection and click on activate Faucet now. You can see Testnet APT tokens have been minted and are now available in your wallet. So we are going to confirm that, and you can see that I have 10 APT and I'm using the testnet of the Petra wallet. So now I have that, we move to the next step. And this is the step 4, which is go to the app using Petra or Phantom testnet wallet. After you got your Faucet APT from step 3. So go to this link, and here we need to connect our wallet, and I'm going to use Petra. So you can see the application of EC Finance only use Pontem, Martian and Petra. So actually for the Faucet you need to use one of these 3. Connect your Petra testnet wallet and you are going to be already connected. Now let's go to step 5, which is in the app, click to get all the test Faucet tokens from the EC Finance app. Then go to lend and deposit on each token, use the farm pools and pool TVL, basically interact with the testnet. So we are all familiar with all these. First I'm going to get ACM tokens from their Faucet. Remember, you need those APT tokens to pay these gas fees. So click approve, and if I click here on APT, you can see I have 100 ACM tokens. And I have a little less of Aptos coin tokens on the testnet because I pay the transaction fee. So get all these tokens, are all Faucet tokens, so they really don't have any value. So approve this. Once you approve, you are done. So click on the other tokens. Get all these tokens guys, so you can use it all in the application. Once you finish guys, you can see here that I have in other assets all the different assets for try here. So after we do that, we come back here, we go to lend, and we are going to deposit everything from each of the tokens. So I have 100 here, I will put 80 on each of them. So click and approve. Again, you need to put some amount here so you can use it. I would like to see a confirmation, but I didn't saw anything. But if you check here, now I have 20 that are deposit on the balance. So in my wallet I have 20, but now I already deposit. You can see that the rest is 0, so I need to deposit in each of them. I will put some APT. Now you can see guys here that in the deposit balance I put almost all the tokens of the Faucet. That is also another of the things to interact of the 0.5. So I already get the Faucet, I already lend and deposit. So I will use the farm now. Go to farm pools. So now I am here on farm pools. I am in USDC and USDT. So I need to supply assets here because I lend, so it's all in this deposit account. So I have 20, 20 and 20. So I will set a little bit of leverage, click confirm, and you can see my transaction details. So click on approve. And if I go to your position, you can see I have this USDC, USDT here, so I can withdraw also if I want. And you have here in your info the information of my position. So basically with this you already interact. You can try another pools. Remember, first you need to go to lend and have everything here in deposit balance, and after that you go to farm pools. And guys, that is all for this testnet. Step 6 is follow the Twitter for news and hope they get the Discord. I'm not sure about that. If I miss it, again, put it in the description. If you find it, I will add it into a comment. But that is all, guys. For now, testnet and crew 3, just interact with the testnet. I don't even know if you need to interact too many times. You don't have any place if they don't have a Discord to give feedback or anything like that. So if they do an airdrop, you already have connected with your wallet and you have the transactions, so they know where to send you tokens, the ACM tokens. And guys, regarding that information that I told you that is important, is this. I found this Google Docs, that this is from Easy Finance, the crew 3. This was the quest 1. You can see it was from January 15 to January 29. This was a submission form. And you can see that says congratulations and thanks for supporting us. The top 100 winners will share 50,000 ACM token pool. So that means that each winner is going to have 500 tokens with a total supply of 100 million. Maybe 500 tokens is like, with a nice price, it could be a lot, guys. We don't know that. And they put here, Airdrop will distribute it after mainnet launch in March or early April. So I think this already tells us a confirmation of when. And if they do another quest, maybe we know that probably around 500 tokens, it could be part of a reward. So let's wait for the quest 2. Not sure when, so follow them on Twitter, get that. Again, I am expecting that they are going to do another quest before the launching of the token, so probably at some point on March, we are going to have another opportunity to participate here and maybe get tokens here. So let's wait for this. Maybe in 1 month we are going to have news for the airdrop. If I know anything else, I will tell you guys. But for now, that will be all for Easy Finance, the testnet, free airdrop maybe. Before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.